be fun.
Roll out. Roll out.
Make it hot. Come on. Let's go.
All right, so this morning we only have 2 contestants as opposed to 3 who we normally have. It's rollout time, folks, and the first contestant up is Sensity. Run the track for Sensity.
Ooh, lifestyle, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah. Just do the lifestyle. When get to youth, man, them so wild. Boy, yo, I just do the lifestyle. And that make get to youth, them so versatile. Ooh, 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 lifestyle. And that make get to youth, man, so wild. Boy, yo, I just do the lifestyle. With that the youth, man, them so versatile. Ooh, 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 yes. Once a man and twice a child. And what you doing now is just for a while. No cover your food, juvenile from the flies. Nobody spray the rod and go and spoil the child. If I no reach science, I no try, me no try. Just to the youth, they no get no blind. You spitting at the sky and it falling at your eyes. And every day another get a youth man right through the lifestyle. Make it man them so wild.
Aye. Say you spit in the sky and it's falling.
Drop in your head.
Yes.
I like it.
Sensity. How much?
I'm going to give Sensity 4.5.
4.5 out of 5. So Demogran, you have to get full marks for winning.
Every day I love it.
Demogran is the next man up. Run the track for Demogran.
Yes. I mean, morning, everybody. DJ, no one to say DJ. I mean, one a sell bag juice, one a wipe car glass. I mean now, me see one pop him 9 off, I say him nah laugh. Chuck. When me know just the system where we got the place to get hot. No money nah run, nobody can relax. Boss boy you fire who, from who a fire that. Me no see no farmers, but every day can pop. The system where we got. Me call it drama. What goes around and come around, you call it karma. The only thing me like to see a shoot is just banana and a nation. But them turn one more in a Ghana. Judge I never give you more than you can bear. Careful of you living out there. Youths a go to school, no shoes, not even bus fare. Granny said beware, cause people unfair. The system what we got, them unbelievable. Tell the youth them kill and still them don't give them a reason to. Several days we day in the street and we no eat nothing. We know all the reason.
Right, Demogran.
Me like him too, you know. Little pitching pass is the only thing. And sometimes the rhythm run the film, but I'll give him a 4. I'll give it to
And Demogran says the wrong rhythm, but he
really?
just decide to deal with it.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
But that's very good.
That's good.
So why we don't let the viewers break the tie?
We're going to take any calls.
Hey, on.
Yeah, we'll take calls.
All right, so give them both 4.5 and then
the you get 4.5, and then the viewers will decide.
Yes, thanks.
And the winner will take us out later at the end of the show, which is later from now.
Which is in 10 minutes.
Yeah, so we went take a break, and then we will come back. We will tell you, because you will tell us.
For the love of Jesus.
I'm explaining to the
Shut
people.
up your
I don't know
mouth.
if you can just give me a chance.
I think you should do a cutaway. So, Ian, look at Jens in the corner.
Wait now.
You know, this is why we miss her the most.
Yeah.
Because there's nobody here to clean up the food.
Well, I know.
More often than not. But Jens just,
I just give him a breakfast
to hold. She just settles right back into her old role.
But I give him a breakfast to hold, not to eat. I've never seen anything. Anyway, we can get back to the story.
I cannot do this.
So here the plan, 733246126. When you call, you decide whether it's Sensity or Democrat. Whoever you decide will take us out at the end of the show. When the show ends, because them not going to take us out until the show ends.
I dare you, Master, to take it in the middle of
Master, if you try that, Master, find where you live. So I don't, Master, don't try it.
Thank you.
Master.
Roll out. Make it hot.